Hello everyone and welcome back to Real Literature and Random Videos. I'm Neha Sultana Narayanpet. Today I'm beyond excited to share something very personal and very close to my heart. My first published book. This video, holds a special place in my journey as a student, as a writer, and as someone who deeply loves literature. So this book wasn't just written, it was created with dedication, discipline, and complete belief in myself. I poured in everything I knew, everything I had learned, and I'm proud to say this entire work, that is entitled as Sons and Lovers, you know is I'm literally overwhelmed right now, and I don't know how to express my words. I'm proud to say this entire work was done independently. Every page, every paragraph, every tiny formatting detail was done by me. That is Neha Sultana. Okay, with love and effort. Oh, and of course, I wouldn't be here without the valuable guidance of my one of my favorite Dr. Ramesh Rathod sir, under whose mentorship this book took shape. His support and direction helped me stay focused during my final semester of my master's degree, and I pursued my master's in English language from Gulbarga University, and this project was part of our final semester work. And the book is based on the novel called, as I said earlier, Sons and Lovers, a text that truly challenged me as a thinker and a reader. Through this project I was able to explore its deeper themes, characters, and emotions. And I really like this novel from my graduation also, because it was prescribed in my graduation syllabus also, I guess in fifth semester. Yeah. Yeah, to my surprise and delight, I was awarded 90 marks for this project. Can you believe? Can you believe this? Even I was not able to believe this much marks for this project. I was literally happy. Yeah, such में it was a moment I will never forget. मैं भूल ही नहीं सकती. That one number made me feel like every late night, every draft, and every revision was worth it. Now let me tell you, this wasn't just typed and submitted. I worked on it using my laptop, my mobile phone, and even my tablet. I designed the layout, adjusted the spacing, added borders, page numbers, and made sure everything was presented in a clean professional format. Okay, so according to me, this book is more than a project. It is a symbol of what can be achieved with passion and patience. So it taught me self-reliance, discipline, and the joy of creation. Yeah, literally, it's a proof that if you trust your process, you can surprise yourself. Yeah. So today, I'm proudly sharing this book with you all online, not as just a textbook, but as a piece of my journey. I truly hope it inspires you in your own work. And please note that this project is shared here for learning and inspiration only. Okay, I kindly request that you do not copy it directly for your submissions. Feel free to use ideas or structure, but always bring your own thoughts into your work. So that would be more accurate, I guess. So thank you so much for being a part of this moment with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means everything to me. We are now a 10K family, thanks to each and every subscriber out there. And until next time, keep reading, keep learning, and keep believing in your abilities. This is Neha Sultana signing off. Bye bye.